Good morning, Copenhagen.
Morning.
Where are we going today? Sweden. So, quick house tour of our Airbnb. This is the main room, our kitchen, a nice lamp.
Oh, that fantastic cake. Oh no, I found the cake.
The first bedroom. Hello, room tour. I'm the same size clothing as this lady, so we've been stealing lots of things from her. Oh yeah. And this is the bathroom. This is my room. Take him up to your room. Just kidding. There's Wooby's room up there.
How do you like this door?
I don't think you do. Here's another little room we have never even been in. And then a little loft that goes up here to the last room. So here we are at the train station. And you can get an easy train ticket that is like...
It's 5 kronor to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, it costs money to go to the bathroom.
Sweden.
First of all, so we're waiting to get to Sweden. But we're going to Malmö today because it's like a 30-minute train
It's
ride.
Ben's birthday. Oh, there we go.
And
The boys are leaving.
it's Ben's birthday, so we're going to Sweden for his birthday. Sweden. And how much are our tickets? How much is that in US dollars?
Well, mine was 108 krones, but for there and back.
Like $18 or something
I feel like something's
to go there and back to Sweden. To Sweden.
Copenhagen Central, welcome!
Welcome, man. We are now on the bridge.
Oh, it's literally above us. Mesmerizing.
We're on a 17-kilometer bridge that goes from Denmark to Sweden.
Hauser. Free range.
Here we are on a little jungle gym.
Where?
Molly, get up.
What?
So it's very windy here in Sweden, and the biggest fact of Sweden that I learned today is that 99% of the waste is recycled. Does anybody else have anything to add?
Yeah, but that's just huge.
Give me your best fact.
That's like,
We don't have any facts. We ate some very nice Swedish cuisine.
We should eat Swedish fish.
I love it!
I was gonna go that way.
So right now we're on our way to Ben's birthday party at this castle. Show him the castle station. It's very windy. I think some
Castle with the K. Oh yeah.
castle.
Super windy and dark. But
It's kind of dark and stormy.
If we haven't the konken fruit. Here we are.
in the telephone.
Swedish telephone booth.
Riks telephone.
Riks telephone.
So there is no telephone.
Except for the one.
Either.
Except for this one here.
But we're out of the wind.
Here's the
Quite
view.
nice.
Our targets have been spotted.
Somebody else.
Out the door. There they are.
There they are.
They are our targets.
They have no idea what they're looking for.
Hello.
Hello, surprise!
With that fan.
So it's Ben's birthday today, and would you like to explain the gifts we just graced you
Yeah,
with?
so I've got my big baby beer bottle.
Yeah.
We'll fill it up later. I've got the anti-dum spray.
Yeah.
It smells great. The sash, which says nothing that we know.
It says
Oh, the girls know you.
Yeah. And my captain's hat, because I am the captain.
Captain Morgan.
Yes.
We're on the bus to Ikea. We've been trying to make our way over in this direction for about 5 or 6 hours now.
I would like it to be known that an American tourist got us to go for free.
We got for free on here because we wanted to buy all our tickets separately, and then they just said get on. Well, but I thought you had to buy one.
Two.
2 for 6.
They said
Special
all of your-
promotion.
They said all of your friends are free, but you'll be extra.
We made it! Woo, there it is. A beautiful sunset. Going ahead, wind. Welcome.
Thank you. It's different to the ones back home.
I'm here eating some branches and
Look at this setup.
It's
Look at this
vegan.
setup we've had. It's very good. I don't even think it's...
birthday dinner of some Swedish meatballs and some Swedish vegetable balls.
Thanks for IKEA.
Thank you, Ikea. I don't know what you're cooking up today.
We've got some things going on.
Don't you worry, child.
Yeah, we've got a plan for you.
got a plan.